All right, let's go ahead and replace the LED lights on this Tundra. We're going to be using this one here. Let's go ahead, mount this properly so we can see what's going on here. All right, this one, let's go ahead and unbox this one real quick. Come on. There you go. This one should be H4 and should fit our there you go. Oh, nice. Look at that. Got two of them, one on each side. Let's go ahead and remove it from the vehicle, and the passenger side is right here. All right, this is the passenger side. Let's go ahead and remove it. Look at that. It's really bad. But let's go ahead and remove it. The cover should be pretty easy to remove. Just have to pull this rubber cap out, and then if you look over here, there's a clip to press, and then that will come out. There you go. That one is out. I dropped it actually. There you go. And let's match what we have. There you go. This is our new one. Let's go ahead and install it. I believe this is the top side. Let's go ahead, if we can put it here. You have to pull up that clip out, and then put the bulb in. There you go. Okay, so that one is in. Let's go ahead, lock it with the clip. Make sure that's not moving. That is good. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the rubber boot, which I don't know where I put it, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this is it. I got the boot again. Let's go ahead. So this one actually said that's the top side, so put it back here. That's to protect the dirt and water going through it. And let's go ahead, insert this thing. Come on. There you go. Next thing we're gonna do is test it. Make sure it goes in. All right, let's go ahead and test it. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the headlights. You might not be able to see it here because it's bright. So that's the old one, it's yellow. And this is the new one that we have. It's white. Let's go ahead and move on to the driver's side, and let's go ahead and test that. Replace that, and also test down the road. All right, so this one is the driver's side. It should be the same process. Remove this one first. Let's go. Let's go. Remove the boot. Come on. There you go. Then clip again. go ahead and remove this one. See that this one, the top one. We're gonna get the new one that we have. Same orientation. Should go in like that. Then flip it again. Make sure it's secured. Come on. Come on. Sometimes the clip doesn't go all the way in. Just make sure it's clipped. There you go. Somehow. Come on. Just have to make sure it's clipped properly. Good, that is on. Great with the rubber boot. Same thing. Just like what we did on the passenger side. To cover that, then put it on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test it if it works. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what it looked like before we replaced the headlights. So that's what it looked like on the wall, and that's the color of it from the front. And I'll show you what it's before while on the road. This is being inside the truck, and that's what you see. And you see on the road. And this is what it looked like being on the road at dark. Let's show we're in a main highway. I'm in the main road. And here it is on the main road. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit drizzling here, but and then after this I'm gonna show you what it looked like after installing our new headlights. Alright, so let's go ahead, check it if it's bright enough. Let's go check it out. I'll turn on the headlights. So that's what it looked like. Let me turn this off. Okay, so that's the brightness. And this is what it looked like. And I hope you see that one, the difference from before. And this is the after. And let's go ahead, drive it around what it looked like on the road. Alright, let's see, let's get it out here. This is perfect here, there's nothing around this area. If you drive it at night, you can see it very clear. And this is a high beam, it's a low beam. I don't think it matters now, but having it a high beam, I mean a low beam, with this white one is a lot better. Alright, we got one car incoming, and we overpower it. It's a high beam, and this is a low beam. Alright, there you guys. I hope you liked this video. This is the H4, I believe. This is for the 2003 Toyota Tacoma. Alright guys, till next video.